Alright, hello and welcome. This is a video on how to find your Pythagorean theorem project on Summit. So when you log into Summit, you are going to see first is your announcement page. Please do make sure that you do read the announcements. Sometimes there's some crucial information, not just from me, but from some of your other teachers about projects or assignments. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and you're going to go down to the year view. When you open it up, you're going to see something like this. So you're going to see your classes below. Your social studies, your pre-algebra, your science, and your English. So the first project right here that says exponents and scientific notation. This was not a project. This was the test that you guys did on Monday, August 31st of over exponents and scientific notation. Now it has been updated if you took a retake on the 2nd and will be later updated today, Tuesday the 8th, if you have a retake session. Please keep in mind that this is where your test grades will go regardless if we are doing a project or not. So in order to get to the Pythagorean theorem one, it should be the next one under your math units. Just say Pythagorean theorem and irrational numbers. As you can see, the due date is on the 18th. That means your project needs to be turned in by the 18th of September. So you have 10 days to complete it. Once you click it open, do make sure that you're still in the Pythagorean theorem and irrational numbers. You're going to go all the way down to choice project. Leave the assessment and portfolio problems alone. Go down to choice project. You are then going to click choose project. It says you will choose one of the options. Once you open it up, this is what it's going to look like. If you read the directions, it says this is your Pythagorean theorem assessment. Please pick one of the following problems that you would like to complete. You may delete the rest for your quiz grade. So if you look below, there's option 1, option 2, option 3, 4, and 5. You are going to choose one of them, because that's what the directions say. Choose one of the following problems. Once you choose your problem, feel free to delete the rest. So if I was going to choose number 1, I would delete everything below it to 5. But make sure you do not delete the rubric, which it will be coming in handy when you get your test grade back. Then it says, answer each part of the question and make sure you add labels, meaning if it's C equals or this many feet or this many inches, make sure you have your labels. You need to make sure you show your work on the computer by using Sketchpad and inserting a screenshot, or you can upload a photo of your work, whichever preferred works for you. Please keep in mind that you need to put your work into this Summit project form. Do not send emails to me or your teachers. Put it all there. Then, once you are done, you can hit Submit Final Project in the upper right-hand corner. Please take your time and make sure that you follow all steps in the question for your option, as well as scrolling to the bottom and seeing what each part of the rubric asks. Make sure you get started. It is due on September 18th, 2020 at 4 p.m.